Hey guys, it's Brittany. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. If you're a returner, then what's up? So this week we are getting ready to plan, and you know what? My gratitude journal. I have been so glad that I incorporated this into my daily routine. I probably mentioned this in every video since I started it, but it has really made a difference for me staying focused. We are going to be planning for August the 12th through August the 18th. If you want to see what I come up with, then just keep watching. Alright guys, I already took my pages off of my disc, and I am going to be planning in color story number 3. And I am going to try to step outside of my comfort zone this week when it comes to this dashboard layout. You all know I've been heavily decorating on this side of the page, keeping this side kind of light. I'm challenging myself to add a little bit more decor on this side. I already know which spreads, which stickers I want to use from this book. So I am going back into this palm tree layout. And I've already done a spread in my classic size planner with this. If you're interested in seeing that, I'll make sure to link it in the cards above. It was actually my birthday plan with me. But anyways, I am going to use these stickers, the ones that we have left, to plan this spread out. And I'm not too concerned with the pinks and the blues clashing with the greens. I actually think it will probably work out pretty well. So we're gonna go ahead and put down some stickers. I see this in a really nice long box that I definitely want to add. I'm actually going to put it on this side right over here, right there, to kind of cover up some of the things that I would normally cover up. I know that I want to use this sticker, "In difficult times, carry something beautiful in your heart." Just a little inspiration for the week, but with this long part, it's still giving me some room to write. I'm going to also take this to-do sticker mainly because I want to layer this black and white underneath it, underneath this green sticker. Oh man. So I'm going to turn it this way and had the to-do just like that, I believe. And I'm gonna kind of place that right over here so that I can still have my writing space that I like to have right over there. I'm liking how that looks so far. My focus for the week is going to be present, since they already have this beautiful sticker inside of there and the words are already written out for me. So I'm just gonna put that right down here in my focus section for the week. Have a TGIF. You already know I might as well just go ahead and put that on Friday, because we are always thankful that it is Friday. I am going to get my tweezers and kind of try to orient that right over here. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of these little flowers. I need to cut this sticker, so I'm gonna put it right here. I'm going to get my X-Acto knife and this right here. So I'm going to cut this a little bit so it can fit flush against the top of that line up there. Then there we go, there we go. We're gonna add that right over there in that corner right there. Make time for what you love. Go ahead and add that over here. I'm so scared to lose writing space. Okay, so we're gonna add that right there. I really like this Choose Joy. Let's do the Choose Joy right over here, and I'm going to do one of these boxes right here, and then the Choose Joy right there. So I also have this box right here. Oh yeah, I'm getting nervous because I'm including a little bit more. So you have this little bit of space to write. I'll add this right over here on Tuesday. So you have a little space to write a little small note to yourself. I can write that, and then I am going to do what do you guys think? Alright, we getting a little busy today, okay? So I could kind of put this down right here, and then I could actually move this other sticker up. I'm gonna move that sticker just because I don't want so much writing like right there. So I'm gonna move this probably to Monday if I can. See what else we can add over here. Since I already put that little thingy thing right there, I'm just gonna add this kind of right in the middle. And now it's time to add some flowers, which some of these leaves, which I really love. And that means that I have to cut some because I need to make these go further. Y'all, I'm loving how this is turning out, and I'm adding more decor over here. I know I didn't add like anything super major, but you know, for me this is good. This is going good. I'm gonna cut this one right here in half, and then let's see what we might need some more. Alright guys, so I think that I'm gonna call it quits right here. I am proud of myself for this spread. I stepped out, I added a little bit more of decor on this page, and this has to be like some of my favorite stickers from that color story book. I really enjoy it. So I hope that you all liked it. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and for everyone, don't forget to share this video and make sure that your notifications bell is turned on so that you don't miss a video every time I upload. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.